Hello everyone, how are you today? Are you good today? Today I am going to work at 9 a.m. I have worked for until 9 a.m. and I go home at 7:30 p.m. I have 10 clients today. I am a barber. I love my job. The weather today in my country is sunny. Yeah, and a lot of wind. What do you do today? Are you going to work, go to school, or stay on your home? And how the weather in your country today? Tell me in the comment. And if you have exciting story on your day today, tell me in the comment. I will very happy with it. So bye, see you tomorrow.